Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arya Ramadhani from Kelas 3 TRPL B with NPM 1062337. Here the title of my final project is implementation of an IoT-enabled automatic parts sorting system with integration of a household parts classification model. Okay, next. Okay, in my research, the server from the background of the history forward background. One household parts management in Indonesia continues to pose a significant challenge. By 2025, West generation of project the 123 million tons annually, which are not 25% of the his works not being million efficiency, technological innovation in addition to change manage efficiency. Two, the work sorting process remain manual, necessitating continual time, effort, and I think that in price version, limited public as well as policy resource in mixed ways, offering the risky process and automating the volume of works to authority health and fields. Three, no students have utilized the Internet of Things IoT for works monitoring and sorting. Actually, the majority still rely on basic sensor and only infinity and limit number of words and category. Three launching ability integration seperti household workforce ability intelligent atau AI. Continuity and basic automatic work sorting system was development, including a household waste classification model. Okay, next. Okay, problem formulation. Based on the personality outline background, presenting problem definition, I will explain to us the research remain focused and dealing with the internal object. Actually, the problem formulation for the final project is for how can one design and control an automatic part sorting system utilizing the Internet of Things IoT, the operation authority in the household part sorting process. How can one operation and household waste classification model webs and IoT system to enable real-time integration of parts types. Next, research object. The object in the final project is governed in the mostly as problem information and attention to the project research the possible with the issue being addressed. The project will be written in the final project. Design and config and represent waste sorting system using the Internet of Internet of Things IoT. The can execute the process of sorting household with autonomy. The impression and waste separation model with an IoT system to efficiently web in real time. Okay, next problem contains waste category and pointed to the three primitive fraction organic, inorganic, and B3. The system is running content of sorting household waste at policy the level and high step to be communication on a scale or finally discussing and The IoT system development especially address the monitoring and control of the waste sorting process. The system had the bearing of forcing a single waste object during the incubation process. The system is not able to detect waste occurring in the plastic objects. If waste is mixed or in plastic, the system will identify the object according to the output layer, especially the camera category and plastic with the electronic classification. Okay. There is combination of the novelty between purview research and my research. Pioneer application. Purview research and development IoT based for sorting system have an assembly development never be limited present which and the for is the research. Pioneer application Internet of Things IoT using ultrasonic over proximity sensor sorting limits weight capability category is metal non-metal for organic and inorganic content on the overselling the capacity of building for telegraph. Computer vision have not yet been ability for the classification of four type of waste, not yet developed for installation automatic sorting version for defense. Research investigation developing an automatic waste sorting system and IoT technology utilizing AI-driven computer vision to classify types of parts. Cable of information different category for household waste in real time. Integration the respirating animal, SP32, camera, sensor, and sensor motor into the single system. Integrates the system with the web for oversight. The orthotical framework, domestic research, classification of waste, computer vision, dan AI regulation, microcontroller, sensor, and automotor, IoT, supervision system, hardware and software conversion, flowchart, block diagram, blender, Arduino application development, Raspberry Pi 5, SP32, Logitech C3, C92 Pro webcam, servo motor MB996R, ultrasonic, sensor HCSR04, sensor sel AX1, DC-DC step down SL405 content current voltage, power supply 12 ampere, rainbow cable. Research based methodology. Okay, the first thing to the internal analysis after the continue with prototype design, then everything the prototype design under the continuum of yes, the process with system development, then system testing, everything system formula under the continuum of yes, and finally use the system. Okay, next. System flowchart. Okay, in the flowchart expression in start with putting down to drives and the identification by camera to listen in organic or B3 setelah identification. Next, if so trace calculate will open according to the type of trace and the type is finish. Okay, next. Sistem block diagram input, sensor-sensor, and process, microcontroller including E5 dan ST32, dan outputan motor servo atau actuator. Electrical circuit design, AC and DC. Next, system of test outcome, organic variable cell test performance, inorganic variable cell testing argument, B3 variable cell testing performance. HCSM Software Sensor Operation Arguments, MGSS Servo Operation Arguments, IoT and Artificial Intelligence Testing Arguments, and finally system arguments. Thank you for your conversation. Over as a procession, regulating process, within discipline, continue character, conduct implementing the past, and order liberation from the special of segregation. Okay, thank you so much for studio education. Sorry if an aside activity work, I might be up. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.